Hi guys! Today I have another Dreamerdesigns unboxing for you. It's a big one. I can't quite fit it on the screen, so there you go. You have their box. Nice big box. Awesome little handle. On the back, it tells you how it works. Peel back protective film. Find grid sign on canvas. Find same grid sign on the table. Find corresponding color code. Pick up using stylus pin. Place down on adhesive canvas. And that's how you diamond paint. This diamond canvas kit contents are also listed on the back. It tells you their features right there. And here, whoops, it's upside down. Here is what's inside. It is Reverie from Anne-Marie Bone. It is 75 by 60 centimeters or 29.5 inches by 23.6 inches. Let's open it up. Look at that sparkle on the outside of the box. It's pretty cool. The cost of this canvas is $59.95. It comes in this reusable bag, which says Dreamerdesigns on it. Handy if you want to take your canvases places. I've taken my Lucky Koi one that I worked on, took that to my parents, and it was nice to have a fitted size container to carry that in. So you have your canvas, you have your drills, you have your toolkit. Your toolkit comes in this really pretty pouch. It is really soft. Comes with 2 pins and tweezers. Tweezers are sharp. Be careful. Get that lid back on. A grip. I believe there's another one in there somewhere. 2 boats branded with their logo and name. A wax. I do believe there's another one in here as well. Yep, there it is. There's the other grip. You have baggies for putting drills in. And you have your extra tools that go on the end of your pin. You have a straightener, a 6-placer, and a 3-placer. Now, in case you were wondering, the grips are really simple to put on. You just stick them on like that. Let's go ahead and put on the other one. Ta-da! These multi-placer tools, they just snap onto the ends as well. Well, they plug into the ends. I'm not really sure how to label that, what to say, but that's what it does. So that's your tool kit. Let's look at the canvas. It comes wrapped in this pretty purple ribbon. Untie that, feel all fancy. And let's unroll the scroll. Beautiful. Inside of the, wrapped up in the canvas, you have a few things. First, you have their paper that says join the Dreamer community, and it talks about exclusive access to their YouTube and Facebook. They have a group. They do weekly live videos and contests. I recommend checking that out. If you have to buy a canvas to be a part of that, but you can still look at their page on Instagram and YouTube. Here you have instructions on how to diamond paint. For those of you that don't know, here is the legend. It says the name of the painting at the top. Shows all of the colors and symbols that you will find them on the canvas. Looks like there is 55 and 2 ABs. Inside here is also a foam roller that helps keep it from getting all squished up in packaging. I am going to roll this back to help it lay flat, so I can lay it flat for you guys to have a better look at it, and for me to have a better look at it. I am eager to see this one. So pretty. Lots of different colors. Lots of confetti. On the canvas, you have the legend key over there on the bottom left. The legend key here is so big that it goes up just about to the top. You have it on the other side as well. As you can see, you have their logo in the bottom right hand corner, their slogan, Paint with Passion. They have a lifetime warranty. This says free Dreamer lifetime warranty. We have you covered to ensure lasting perfection. Enjoy Dreamer Uh-Oh insurance against accidents as well. So that means if something happens to your canvas that's extremely devastating, if you drop and spill your drills and you need replacements, they're going to help you out. I have experience with this. Their customer service is really great. Up here in the upper left-hand corner, you have a thumbnail picture of the diamond painting. You have the title, Reverie. Legally licensed from Anne-Marie Bone, design size 75 by 60 centimeters, 29.5 inches by 23.6 inches, which I've already stated. Look at those stars in that sky, a moon. Oh my goodness. Up here in the upper right-hand corner, whoa, shaking you all over, sorry. Up here in the upper right-hand corner, you have join the Dreamer community, and it shows all of their social media information. So check that out. And if you buy a painting from them, you can be a part of their exclusive club. Oh, one more thing I forgot to do before I get into the drills. Let's look at the drill field. I can read all those. Can you? Looks good to me. Okay. Let's open up the drills. Let's look at these diamonds. As I mentioned, you have 55 colors. That includes 2 ABs, and I'm guessing they're going to be white and green. What do you guys think? We will find out soon enough. All right. The quality of these drills look really good to me. So you have all of your classic purple colors. Sorry, I keep bumping you. Two containers of 310s, black. Some blues, another purple, a little bit of brown. Gray, green, red, and another purple, and another purple. Some green, more greens, some pinks. A lot of pretty colors for all these flowers. There's a bright yellow. That's really bright. Oh my goodness, I keep bumping you guys. I'm sorry. Oh, that's pretty. A lot of blues. A maroon. A light peach. Blue. A little bit darker blue. I'm sure a lot of this will go in the sky and the mountains. Some browns. Green, green, green. And the diamond packages do have their logo on them as well. They also have the numbered item for the 1 through 55 on the canvas, as well as the DMC number. That's a really pretty color. It's not quite showing it on the camera too well, but it is just a dark pink. It's really pretty. Although when you're dealing with sparkly diamonds, is there really a color that's not pretty? I mean, come on. They sparkle and shine. Woo, that's pretty. Yes, yes, yes. I love it. More purples. That's a pretty green. Pinks. Yep. This is going to be a gorgeous, gorgeous one. All right. So here we have the first AB. It is white. I love this one because when it sparkles and shines, it's like a rainbow. The color on there, depending on the AB and the way that the coating is, it'll either show up as just this little speck of yellow or green or pink, maybe purple. I think I've seen sometimes. I just love it. Subtle but dazzling. And here's the other one. It is a green. Not a lot of them, but I'm sure enough just to make the perfect highlights in the grass. So let me set these drills aside and we'll look and see where they are on the canvas. All right, so the green AB is this O symbol, and the white AB is this little white dot. So I'm gonna zoom in a bit. You're probably not gonna be able to see that there, but oh yeah, here's some of the green AB just down here. Over here, they're just kind of sprinkled in. There's some up here, throughout here. There's a few down here. Over here. Oops, not in the camera view. There's a couple down here. There's some up here. Down here, yep, all throughout these flowers. They're just sprinkled about. Looks like there's a few up here in the trees. Yeah, there's a few up in the trees. On this side too, there's a few. Now the white ABs, they're sprinkled through this grass. I can see them there. Some of them are kind of in lines, so a tall coned type of flower. There's some here in the reflection of the lake. I'm going to zoom out now. It's all up here in the sky. The moon, the stars, those are all the white ABs. I think this is going to be absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So what do you guys all think of this Reverie? Very pretty, huh? I'm excited to do this piece. I don't know when I'll get around to it. As with everything, the time comes when the time comes. Go ahead and let me know in the comment section what you guys all think about this. Personally, I love confetti, so I'm excited to do all those colors. I'm excited to see the shiny ABs. Before I go, I do want to say that these lines, that's just part of the plastic on the top. That is in no way a reflection of the canvas. I'm going to read to you the description of this diamond painting from the Dreamerdesigns website. And it says, "Lose yourself in a magical reverie as evening sets in across the valley. Walk by the wildflowers and out onto a still, peaceful lake to feast your eyes upon the moonlit, snowy peaks of the mountains ahead. Breathe in the clean air as the first stars break through the pink and purple sky." Absolutely beautiful. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Please like my video. Please subscribe to me if you feel led to do so. Turn on the notifications so that you can see my videos as soon as they're posted. I hope you have a great evening or morning or afternoon, no matter what time it is. This Reverie has me set into nighttime mode. It's actually afternoon where I am. Anyways, thank you again for watching, guys. I really appreciate your support. Bye.